If you don't like fumbling with buttons but still love tech, then build your own IR remote control today. Today, we're building a basic IR remote control using an Arduino. First, grab an infrared transmitter, Arduino board, and a few wires. Connect the transmitter to the Arduino pins as per the diagram in the description. Now, let's dive into the code. Don't worry, it's simple. Upload the provided sketch to your Arduino. And just like magic, you can now control your devices wirelessly. It's a fun, easy project anyone can tackle. Give it a try and impress your friends with your new DIY skills. Subscribe for more cool projects.